love to maybe invite Jarrar first to tell us a bit more about how your journey in discovering your target customer was and what kind of, hills did you have to climb to get to where you are today with dealing with kiryana stores?
Yeah, so basically, we started off as a B2C platform. Actually, we were, very much like a traditional online grocer. Anyone could come, open up their account, browse the products, add to the basket, check out, and then we deliver the same day. And we did that. We were one of the pioneers actually in this space in Pakistan, especially in Lahore. But what we saw post-COVID was that we scaled like very, very fast, just like any other online grocer in the world. But just like everywhere else in the world, online grocery became the flavor of the month. And literally every week there was a new player entering the space. And what we started to see was that the unit economics started to get challenging. Customer acquisition costs started to go up. And then in terms of scalability, what we saw even after the tremendous spike post-COVID, that most of the target audience that we were getting in terms of customers were coming from higher income neighborhoods. And that meant that in terms of scalability and the addressable market of Pakistan, the 220 to 30 million story, that really confined us to the big three cities, Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, the KLI, as it's called. So we started looking at other models which could be more scalable, more capital efficient, more distinct as well. And that's where, we came across, some models out of China and Indonesia, where people were bringing in the agent-led model or reseller-led model. And that's where we came up with this idea that these corner stores or these kiryanas, there are 1 million plus of them in Pakistan, and they're in every neighborhood, tier 1 cities to, rural areas, high income, low income, they're everywhere. So why not partner with these guys and use them as our beachhead into the community and get, go via them into the community. So that's when, we did this experiment, and then, that went off really well. And we then pivoted to this B2B2C model, which we now have. So that was, a journey of learning based on data. If COVID had not happened, we would not have probably gotten that data as quickly as we got it. We wouldn't have scaled as quickly as we did. So COVID was a very, obviously it's been a horrific event for the world, but in terms of our business and the journey, it was a huge learning experience.